Hi everyone, this is the 67th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have an interesting problem from the concept of triangle in geometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says that if in a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to x plus 3 degrees and angle B is equal to 2 times x minus 1 degrees and angle C is equal to 3 times x minus 2 degrees, then x is equal to which of the following 5 options, right? So we have to find out the value of x. From the properties of triangle, we know that the sum of all three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So can we write it like this? So in this case we can say, well, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equal to 180 degree. That's the basic property of a triangle that we are using here. Now let's substitute the values of angle A and angle B and angle C. So from here, can we write it like this? In place of A, I am going to write x plus 3 degree, and in place of angle B, I am going to write 2 times x minus 1 degree, and in place of angle C, I am going to write 3 times x minus 2 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Now from each of these numbers on the left hand side, if we take 1 degree common, so let's say this is 1 degree times x plus 3 plus 2 times x minus 1 plus 3 times x minus 2, that is also equal to 1 degree times 180. Think about it. I'm just trying to isolate the degree because the value of x will turn out to be without a unit. It will be just a plain basic number. The value of x cannot be in degrees, right? Because we have the individual angles provided within a parenthesis. So like x plus 3 degree, that means x is just a number, right? Whatever that number may be. X does not have a unit. X is just a number. So you have to be very careful that in the answer options, if you are given x is equal to some degree, that will not be a correct option, because in this case the value of x will be a pure number. It will not have any unit. So that is why I am trying to show you how to convert this equation into an equation where there will be no degree sign, right? So from here, let's divide both sides by 1 degree. Then what will happen? The 1 degree will convert into 1, because if I divide both sides by 1 degree, so 1 degree divided by 1 degree, that will give us 1. Similarly on the right hand side also, if we divide 1 degree by 1 degree, that will give us 1. So this degree is now converting into 1 without any unit, right? So then from here we can say, well, then definitely our x plus 3 plus 2 times x minus 1 plus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 180. And please make a note, I am not writing the degree sign anymore, right? Because we have removed the degree here, right? So from here then what can we say? Well, if you remove the parenthesis, this will give us x plus 3 plus 2 times x minus 1 plus 3 times x minus 2, that is equal to 180. And from here what we have? Well, it would be x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x, that would be 6 times x, and then plus 3 minus 1 minus 2, so that will cancel each other. So this plus 3 minus 1 and minus 2, they will become 0. So then here we are left with 6 times x is equal to 180. And from here we can say, well, then x must be equal to 180 divided by 6, that would be 30. And it's not in degree, it's just a pure number. Please be very careful that you cannot write x is equal to 30 degree. That will be a wrong answer. X is actually equal to 30 without a unit, right? So x is just 30, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 30 under option A. So option A is the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.